Good morning, Spartans. Welcome back to another tutorial. This tutorial takes us through the business card practice, the one that you just finished, and you're going to want to use this video to remind you of things that is expected from you. Okay? So I'm just basically going to take us through the same project. So we'll go to the assignment page, choose business card. Remember, you're going to go to Canva. You're going to find a business card, and I'll just do that right now. We're going to find the card that brought me this one, but I guess I'll go to the Canva website so you remember how to access that card. I'm going to pause the video briefly so I can log in. I am. Okay, so you're going to hit the More button after you log in. And let's see, marketing materials. I'm going to scroll down to the business card one. And the requirement here is to find one that has a photo. So you can see this one has a photo. This is the one I used. Okay. Just so you know, if you're wondering how certain things were created, you can tell that this is just a rectangle that's laid over a photo. You see that? Okay, so you can kind of translate this, hopefully, into a Photoshop layers setup, and you know you got type here, you've got the rectangle here, and you've got the photo right here. Okay, so a lot of this makes sense, doesn't it? Okay, if something gets messed up, you just go back over here and click it. Remember, you can change colors, and don't forget, we are going to be required to use a a triad color scheme. And you're going to want to go back to my website and find what that entails. And so, if you recall, let's see, I think it was under concept logo. Yes, it was. Okay. So here's a color scheme. So you're going to go to the triad color scheme, and wherever you choose, you're going to get another color, or sorry, two other colors. Okay, and it just sets it up for you, which is really nice, isn't it? Okay, so just use any three colors based on this color wheel. All right, I'm going to go with what we did during our practice together. So let me go back, and I think I'll just go to my I'm sorry, let me see, where's that card? Alright, I'm going to have to pause it briefly and find my way. Okay, so I couldn't find it, but that's okay. I just want to show you how to download it. Same way we did last time, but in case you forgot, accidentally made a copy there. Okay, so you just merely click the download button. You're going to go image for web. This one costs money, so you just ignore that. Just go to download a watermark draft. There are also free ones, so you won't get that prompt to buy it. Alright. From there, I'm going to go ahead and open up my folder. And now this is a Mac, so I'm going to just go ahead and save this. And then see if I have an option to save as. I think I'll just open it. There it is. Let's see. Look down here.
Tom Traeger, did you call? Please report to the downstairs conference room.
All right, sorry for that interruption. Unfortunately, I can't really do this one because there's really no point in showing you how to do it from a Mac since you guys are using PC. So if you need help on this, just let me know. I'm going to go ahead and take my design from my website, because that's going to be much easier. So let's go back to the website. And I'm going to just use the business card here. So I'm going to copy the image, go into Photoshop, Control N, return, Control V. Okay? And then I'm going to do File New, change it to inches. This is going to be 3.5. This is going to be 2. And I'm going to click OK. Nope, I'm going to do 300. Don't forget 300. And you're going to do the usual underscore, first initial, last name underscore, business card. Okay? Click OK. I'm going to go ahead and arrange horizontally. And let's see, I need to be in inches. And let's see, I'm going to zoom out here if I can. And let's see, Navigator. Alright, I like to get those side by side. I'm fumbling a little bit, folks, but that's okay. Now, I'm going to drag my guidelines down. And again, I'm basing this on what I'm observing from my template here. Okay, you can see sort of the natural border there. I'm also going to subdivide this into quadrants, and then I'm going to take my type tool and I'm going to drag this out. I may not have enough time, but we'll see. Okay, let me do that again. I'm getting some problems here. All right. Okay, let's try that again. So I'm just going to drag that over. Okay. And I recommend that you just reset your character. And I'll just go ahead and do gnarly, just like the practice. And I'll call it Skate Festival. Okay. All right. Highlight that. Choose red. Choose a more interesting font that looks more like the skating effect. That's the bell. Don't think I'm going to be able to make this. Stretch this out a bit. And after that, I'm going to go ahead, drag out the other half. This one's going to be called Dude Jones and Boss Man. Don't ask me. They just came to me. Okay. Choose the blue. Again, my color scheme is going to be similar to this. This is sort of a red hue, a yellow hue, and a blue hue. Those are the three colors, the three primary colors. I'm going to go back to my website. I'm going to grab this photo. Copy image. And go to my background, and I'm going to paste it. There it is. First thing I'm going to do is resize this. And I'm going to grab a sample. Okay, there it is. Command J or Control J. And then I'm going to take this main photo, do Control T, and let's see. Get that background going here. Looks good. Let me zoom out of here. Where's my navigation? There it is. Okay, I'm going to zoom out, reposition this, and perfect. Okay, I'm going to zoom back in. Oop, not perfect because going off the screen. There it is. I'm going to come in now, zoom in, and don't need this card anymore. Close that up. Okay, I'm going to recolor this, and it might be a good idea to use some of those techniques we used in the postcard. Okay, bring this up, Command T or Control T in your case. I'm using a Mac. And perfect. Then I'm going to go ahead and lower the opacity on this layer. We don't want it to be overpowering. Don't forget, similar to the postcard, we went ahead and lowered the opacity so we'd see our typography. I'm going to do Control U and colorize the background. Again, it's going to be red, yellow, and blue. Don't forget, color scheme, very important. I'm going to click OK. I'm going to lower the opacity on this one as well. Last thing I need is to copy Dude Jones. I'm going to drag that over to make new layer. And then I'm going to bring this down. This obviously is going to be email. And this one is going to be sell. Okay? Then I'm going to type in the necessary characters for that, or information rather. I'm going to go ahead and angle that off and match that angle of the skateboarder. Okay? Now, this is a little bit different than what I did before, but that's okay. You know, you just change it up a bit. Okay? And how did that happen? Huh. Okay, I guess I erased it. See if I can go back into time. Let's see, Command Z. There it is. Alright, let me do that again. I'm going to pause it. Alright, here, I'm back. Alright, let's see if I can do this again without messing it up. Okay, angle it, bring it down, and I'm going to resize it so it'll fit. There you go. And then this one's going to be brought down. Okay, actually works, I think. And let's see. And I think that should do it. I think the last thing I'll do is put a couple drop shadows on it. Put a drop shadow on that. And then I'll put a drop shadow on my and one more drop shadow here. And it looks good. I'm going to do full screen mode. See what I got. And that should do it, folks. I think that looks pretty darn good. Okay, I'm running out of time. And have fun with this. Do your best to emulate the template. Okay, thanks for watching.